In the kitchen again. Don't tell anybody. I'm making French toast and bacon. Got some eggs in a bowl, and we're ready to rock. Just watch this come together. Now we dip the bread. Now comes the fun part. Make sure they're not burning. Gotta test the bacon. Oh yeah, just right. That French toast is looking good. This knife is not exactly doing the job the way I wanted it to. There you have it. That is breakfast of champions. Let's try a bite. That's Cooking with Keith. I'll see you here next time.
I would like to eat my breakfast.